trying to catch up with his old green machine. A little swerving, but I don't know what's wrong. He must be drunk. Yeah, trying to catch up with his old little green machine. He don't know how to act since he done got a little computer and shit. You know what I'm saying? You know how white folks is, you know. But yeah, that's the green machine. He got a little chromed out, you know. We're gonna look at him for a little while. Yeah, that's the green. He got his old tater chips. I'm finna dust his ass off. Oh yeah, that's how the real truckers do it, baby. Oh yeah, my boy eating them Fritos. You know what I'm saying? We riding down the goddamn highway, nigga. You know what I'm saying? This how we do this shit, dog. You know what I'm saying? Super trucker. That goddamn green machine done hit that motherfucker, ain't it? Yeah, I can't do nothing with that song, dude. That goddamn little green machine, goddamn be real. Look at that motherfucker. That bitch pulling away, man. I'm like, damn. Yeah, I gotta step my game up, you know what I'm saying? These niggas out here, big tires and big rear ends and big computers and shit, you know. Yep. And here go little Big Willie. We got Big Willie coming back. Y'all see him right there in my rearview mirror. Come on there, Willie. Y'all see him in the rearview mirror. Yeah, I'm recording Big Willie. Come on, Big Willie. Yeah, they go Big Willie, baby. Yeah, Big Willie. Look at Big Willie. Big Willie be riding. That Big Willie be riding. Come on back there, drive. Yeah, you supposed to slow down there, driver. You know what I'm saying? I want everybody to see who Big Willie is and what the hell Big Willie do. I know, dog. Yeah, Big Willie just shot over there. He went through the camera. Yeah, man. Like, he put that bitch in them damn big hole. You gotta let your window down and wait till the camera gonna put this shit on trucker page. Yeah, they go Big Willie. What's up, Big Willie? Yeah, brother. Yeah, bro. Oh, shit. Hey, all right. Oh, shit. All right, Big Willie. We gotta make up the hill now. Chugga. I'm gonna tell y'all about a little engine that could.